Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I was gonna do a PR haul. I haven't really had time to open a lot of PR packages for you guys. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you definitely should be, because that's typically where I open all of this kind of stuff. It's not something that I really do on my channel, is do like PR hauls. I've done one other one, and I guess that's just because I tend to open it on Instagram. I think before we even get started here, I just want to say thank you so much to the brands who sent the products over to me. It is a little bit impossible to really try everything. If there is anything specific in this video that you would like to maybe see a video on, please leave it down below in the comments so that I know. I'm really excited, so let's just hop right into it. My hair feels like really thick today. I don't know if I just used like a shampoo or something. Anyways, the first one I want to start off with is something that I did actually haul on Instagram, but there's a reason why I wanted to haul something like this and why I thought it was important to. This is a new NARS foundation, Radiant Longwear Foundation, which sounds literally up my alley. I'm wearing this Smashbox stick foundation right now, which I find is very like lightweight and kind of more dewy. And so they sent through 3 shades, which one of these I will probably be. And I just love that, you know, this gives me the opportunity to swatch and show you guys the foundation without wasting product. Smart way of doing a foundation PR package. So I'm really excited to try this. Thank you so much, NARS. Next up, we have this really cute little tote bag, which I absolutely love. So these are the Joico Insta Tints. Amethyst, a violet opal, which sounds really cool. And we also have rose gold. These sound really fun. I would love to play with these because I have these nice little blonde streaks in my hair. I would love to play with like these 2 colors. Some Fun Dip, a lip smacker in bubblegum, the K-Pack conditioner. So this is what the PR package is about. These are the Joico Color Intensity Color Butters. Now they did send these to me, and I thought maybe that I could do like a swatch video or something on a wig or something like that, even trying them in my blonde pieces. It's basically a color depositing treatment. Make your color pop while treating hair to rich hydration. So essentially you're doing a mask on your hair, but you're also like giving your hair that pop of color that it maybe needs. Pink, purple, red, blue, green, and titanium. Thank you so much, Joico. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use these yet, but I need to use them somehow. I'm really excited because this is some cool packaging. So this showed up at my house and I was like, this is a MAC package. It's a collaboration with Jeremy Scott. What? What? I don't know if this is to protect it or if this is like supposed to embody like sound recording foam. I don't know. Really cute. This is an eyeshadow palette, I'm assuming. And it looks like an FM cassette player. This is a cheek palette, which looks like CDs. And this is a cassette, or this is a matte lipstick, and it looks like a cassette. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. So I think it's a pretty cool palette. It's one of those more like colorful full spectrum palettes. This is a very interesting way to present a collection. I'm loving it. So the CD cheek palette, oh my god, it actually is a CD. Cheeky volume mixtape. This is so sick. You have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. This I really like and will use. This palette, I don't know. It's like really big and it doesn't scream me, so I don't know for sure if I'll reach for that very often, but I think that this is the coolest freaking packaging I've ever seen. Bump and jams. I mean, the packaging, you literally cannot go wrong. I don't typically like lip palettes like this just because I don't like applying a lip product with a brush. That's just a personal preference, but this is, I mean, it's really cool. Thank you so much for spoiling me, Mac. I really have to speed this up or else we're gonna be here all day. This is a package from Maybelline. Oh yes, the Super Stay Matte Inks. So these are a ridiculously amazing formula. These babies do not budge. I have a couple of them already, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Maybelline, for sending me all of these. Next, bye! So I have to share this with you guys. My all-time favorite lip right now is the one that I'm currently wearing, and it is a Bite Beauty lipstick. This is my everyday holy grail. It's a liquefied lip and caramelized, and it's just smells amazing, looks amazing, is the perfect color. Oh! So these are more of these. This is the Unearthed collection. These retail for $28. So Bite sent through like a ton of these shades. I will pick, let's pick 2. This one is called Daikon. Bite Beauty just smells so unreal. Purpley, pinky type shade. God, these names though. Chicory, we're gonna swatch next. Ooh, Chicory is, oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. I wish I were wearing that right now. That is stunning. Should we do one more? Because I'm here. Kohlrabi? Oh, shoot. She's a dark one. Very dark purple. Wow. Thank you, Bite. The only thing that sucks about doing swatches is taking them off. Really good singer. Maybelline, my babe. Some new stuff from Maybelline. This is the new foundation. Freaking amazingly full coverage. I have a video on my Instagram that you guys can go watch of me putting this on. It's nuts. This looks absolutely stunning. Very Tasha. They came out with the Burgundy Bar palette, which also looks absolutely friggin' stunning. And then they came out with the Urban Light Eye and Cheek palette. Then we have a Master Holographic Prismatic Highlighter in 2 shades. Sometimes I just want to have a British accent. I'm like, shall we swatch it? Who taught you how to swatch, Tasha? Oh, yourself? Oh. You're bad. She's really pretty. She's really pigmented. I feel like Maybelline is really stepping it up, especially with that foundation. If you like a full coverage foundation, oh, you gonna like that. Lasting Drama Eyeliner. So it's an eyeliner pencil that illuminates and defines eye brightening pigments. They also sent through this brow product, Total Temptation Brow Definer in blonde. Yeah, girl, not blonde. Color Sensational Powder Matte Lipstick. Really pretty color. Thank you so much, Maybelline. You guys spoil me to death. I love you. Every time I pick up a new package, I'm like, we need to hurry this up. Oh, Spring 2018. NARS. Alright, NARS Spring 2018. What we got? So they released 2 shadow sticks. One's like a silver and one's like a gray. Do people actually use these colors? Silver and gray, like all that much? I'm kind of like, do they? Okay, so then they came out with a liquid blush. So this is what the liquid blush looks like. Looks like a beautiful color. It's in a pump. I used way too much. There is it blended out. Oh, that's stunning. This would look so good on me now. I feel like doing PRs like this, like PR unboxings, is a little bit nicer for me because I get to just like sit here and chat with you guys and talk about makeup, and I wish you all were like right in front of me and we could just like swatch everything together. Highlighting blush. This is in the color Free Soul. It's a light shimmering pink and it's limited edition. So she's a really pink and she's a really shimmery. So she'd be like a good highlight blush kind of thing for on the go summer stuff. That black stuff is all over them. The lip covers. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, sorry. You know how hard it has been to find just this like perfect shade of orangey nude. Ooh, Black Cherry is a pigmented beige. So there are the shades. Those are really pretty. That first one though, she's got my heart. Thank you so much, NARS. I love that things aren't matte anymore. I'm loving that we're kind of like putting matte to rest because my swatches can come off my hands. Next up, we have a package from MAC again. Okay, so this is Hyper Real Glow palette with 3 shades that are creamy highlighting powder. So these are the shades. The gold one is this one right here. It's not too much golder, but you can see that in the first 2 shades it's really gold. So right here, this is the gold shade. So these are really nice and buttery. I don't like to formulate a feeling on a swatch. I need to see how it applies on a face and with a brush and all that good stuff. But thank you so much, MAC, for sending these through. Ooh. This is from Clinique. Tasha, we hope this Marimiko for Clinique collection helps you make a colorful splash during this final stretch of the winter. So Clinique sent through this beautiful bag, and inside there is another beautiful bag with a bunch of goodies in it. Look at this packaging. Really pretty floral flowers on it. This red hue to it, and then it reflects this beautiful gold. Thank you so much, Clinique. Ah! The next one we have is from Buxom. Buxom. Cute! Look at this little pouch they sent. So this is what it looks like. Power Plump Lip Balm. Takes lip care to the next level. It's a balm, it's a lip tint. Available last month because I opened this a little late. So this is like the regular one, the Big O, but there's 3 new shades. Ooh. Ooh, she is not too glossy. She is really pretty. I just am all about, honestly, like the summer skin, the dewy skin, the natural kind of makeup. I mean, obviously I'm wearing like a cake face full of makeup right now, but it's like, it's more on the natural side. Do you know what I'm trying to get at? Thank you so much, Buxom. These are cool. I'm really excited to try these out. Sometimes I'm like so overwhelmed. I used to like, you know, when I wanted to do like my makeup collection video, I wanted to go out and buy extra product to put in there to make it look like I had like more product. Like obviously I was gonna keep the product I bought, but like I felt like, oh, I don't have enough product to like, so this is like surreal. It's just so surreal. Next up we have a big box. You guys! This is Bad Gal Bang. The Benefit Times. Just read in my newspaper. Excuse me. Alright, alright. She's a rocket ship backpack. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I am so excited to try this out. Even my mom's excited to try this out. If you have been living under a rock, Benefit released a new mascara. Bad Gal Bang. Volume. Lifts your lashes. Lengthen your lashes. The whole, basically the whole caboodle. Thank you, Benefit. I love you. So next up we have a package that says, "Hi Tasha, we heard you were running low on Kiss lashes, so we wanted to restock your supply." These are my all-time favorite lashes. They are the Kiss lashes. They are the number 11. So I sent through like a couple other lash styles, some lash glue. Thank you so much, Kiss. You are a dream. You know when you like watch these videos or you watch people like unbox, they talk about how their husband does the recycling? I've watched at least 3 people who say their husband does the recycling, and I'm like, you mean a husband? So we have a package from Lush, and this is something I'm really excited to show you. Trans rights are human rights. Lush is committed to bringing visibility to discrimination and danger trans people face every day. With this initiative, basically Lush wants to educate people on how they can contribute to a more inclusive and accepting environment. 2 things you can do to help support. The Inner Truth Bath Melt. That is this baby right here. You can purchase Inner Truth and it will be sold across North America. 100% of the purchase price will be directed to the National Center for Transgender Equality, the Canadian Center for Gender and Sexual Diversity. If you can, please go and pick one of these babies up. Thank you, Lush, for sending that through, and thank you for sending it so that I could help spread the message. I have to go and pick up my own. So here's a baby that I got a little late. Did you know February 13th is Valentine's Day? I mean, okay, so in here we have the Clairol Color Crave hair makeup, and this puts color into your dark hair. We have 2 Sally Hansen gel polishes, CoverGirl True Naked eyeshadow palette, Vitalist Go Glow luminizing lotion. I'm gonna try that. Vitalist. Oh god, why can't I say that? See that glow? Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this package is from Matrix. Cool, a new hairspray. 5 hold. I have been looking for a new hairspray because just all the ones I've been trying lately just don't work. I also sent through a Damage shampoo and conditioner, and honestly, I have so many shampoo and conditioners on the go to try, so I probably won't get to this one for a little bit. They sent through a Texture Messy Finish Spray, which I'm really excited to try as well. I've been really into texturizers lately. Thank you so much, Matrix. That is so sweet of you. So this is a package from Buxom, and it is a neon light, and it lights up purple, and it is so cute. So they sent that to celebrate all of these babies. Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks, which is me. Thank God the matte is just like going. 1 stroke color. This is in the color Lights Down. She's real nice. Ooh, these are real pigmented. Look at that first one that I applied. Like, that was 1 swipe. Thank you so much, Buxom, for sending these through. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for supporting me on a daily basis and allowing me, like, I don't get this stuff, you know, for no reason. I get this because of you guys and because you support me, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to everybody. You guys, the brands, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you to pieces. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.